guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this particle text template for your projects, short films, skits, and etc. And like always, you can download everything by clicking the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you download the project files, you're going to have this like alphabet again. So it's like A through Z. And again, all you have to do, you can do this in Movie Maker, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, any editing software that you have. All you gotta do is just drag in and then drop it. So we're gonna try to do the word high. So I'm gonna drop in H, I'm gonna drop in I, and all of them have an alpha background. So there is no background for it. It's just the letter itself and the animation. I'm gonna put the word H, I'll put the word I, and you can't really see it because it's black. So I'm going to create a new solid and I'm going to make it white. I'm going to put it on the back and then move a little bit. And then now we have the letter H and the I. We just got to move it a little bit. The letter I over here. And center it a little bit. There we go. And then let's play it. And there you go. You have this particle in, and then after a while the particles will go away and the text will disappear. So if you like it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Sub for more. GG.